Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to create a custom DNS server on Namecheap. This is helpful when we want more control over how our domain handles traffic. A custom DNS server is a personalized server for our domain, like this. Instead of using the default name, servers, we manage DNS solutions ourselves or through our own hosting setup. The main reason for creating a custom DNS server is to have full control over DNS management, branding, and advanced configuration. This is often used by hosting providers, developers, or businesses that manage several domains and servers. Now let's go through the steps together to use DNS on our Namecheap domain. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to namecheap.com. After being redirected to the page, we log into our account. Once we have logged into our account, we go to the dashboard. Click on this account and go to the dashboard. Here, in the dashboard, we can see the domain list. In this domain list, once we find our domain, we click this and go to Manage so we can access our custom DNS settings. Under the main domain, we already see the name servers. Here, we see three different DNS options: Namecheap Basic DNS, Namecheap Web Hosting DNS, and Custom DNS. Since we are using Custom DNS, we click this one. Now we enter the server information, such as the one from Cloudflare. We add this one, and then click Save. Next, we enter the other server and click Save again. Once everything is saved, our domain is now connected to Cloudflare using Custom DNS. With this setup, we have more flexibility and control over our domain's DNS.